In this video, we want to find the surface integral of a vector field through a paraboloid. So let's look at the surface integral here. F is given to us as xy comma negative 3yz comma 3zx, where s is a part of the paraboloid, z equals 16 minus x squared minus y squared, lying above the rectangle where x is between 0 and 2 and y is between 0 and 5 with upward orientation. So first, let's calculate the surface element. So that's going to be given to us as negative partial f with respect to xi minus partial f with respect to yj plus k dA. Now f is 16 minus x squared minus y squared. We take the partial with respect to x as negative 2x. Take the partial with respect to y as negative 2y. So plug it in here. The negatives are going to cancel. We have 2x, 2y, 1, and then dx dy. Now let's substitute z into the vector field. So the vector field was given to us as xy, negative 3yz, and 3xz. But remember that z is just the paraboloid, 16 minus x squared minus y squared. So that's why we make the substitution here. And now we need to do a dot product with ds. So ds was, what we found was 2x, 2y, 1 dA. So what we want to do is take the dot product with this right here. So essentially what we're going to do is multiply the first component with 2x, the second component with 2y, and third component with 1. So that's going to be the same here. And then you just multiply this. Negative 3y times 2y is negative 6y squared. And I leave the parentheses the same. 2x times xy is just 2x squared y. Adding these, we can expand it so we can distribute the negative 6y squared and the 3x with these guys. And then simplify this. So this is what goes inside. This is the f.ds inside. And we said that we're looking above the rectangle where x is between 0 and 2 and y is between 0 and 5. So those are the limits. So this is all just standard integration. We take the integral with respect to x, plug in 0 and 2 and subtract to get 12y to the fourth minus 182y squared plus 16 over 3y plus 84. Then we integrate that with respect to y from 0 to 5, get 12 fifths y to the fifth minus 182 over 3y cubed plus 8 thirds y squared plus 84y. Plug in 5, plug in 0, subtract, and end up with 1,210 over 3 as our final answer.